Chematic is a division of Dover where we provide formulated cleaning detergents and cleaning solutions to the regulated industries. We've been doing it for over 30 years. We supply our products and services to over 40 different countries. What we are doing here today is we are working with our strategic partner Revonic, where we provided customized cleaning detergents, formulated detergents for their UGRGIT product line. Today we are actually going to be cleaning the UGRGIT L30D55 coating formula that actually has talcs and pigments and oxides in the particular formula, which has made it difficult to clean particular residues. We have found a customized solution where we started in our beaker, then we went to a laminar flow, came up with a solution. But what separates Dover apart is we actually could go into coating pans. We actually have a pilot coating pan, and we also have a full production coating pan, which is what you're going to see today. The Dover team and how we came up with a solution where we had a hard water application that was causing issues with our formula, where we were able to come up with a complete single-step solution for our customer.
We've got a really well coated pan as well as tablets. So what we have done is we have managed to get a coating which looks like a 3-batch coating, and the residue looks like how it would look in a original coating pan in production.
So we just finished with our cold water pre-rinse. Now we've added a detergent solution of 6% Chematic LS+. We put 2 buckets worth into the basin of the coating pan so it gets soak time as the pan spins through. We're also spraying through the nozzles at the same time, so we're hoping that the combination of the soak time in the pan plus the spray through the nozzles will be what we need to really remove and get rid of that coating. We had to do a manual clean because the coating pan is designed to spray solution on the tablets, not necessarily to ensure that the entire interior of the coating pan gets covered with solution. So there were gaps and areas along the back wall of the coating pan and the front portion that weren't getting hit by the stream of detergent solution. So there was some polymer that wasn't able to be dissolved. So what we decided to do is go in with a power washer to hit those areas and make sure they got covered. So this is common that we see in a production facility as well, that after the majority of the polymer is removed through the spray guns, they will go in with a spray wand or a power washer to make sure that all the areas get covered and all of the polymer is removed.
Right now we are letting the coating pan dry after our post-rinse. We are looking for a haze. We don't expect there to be a haze.
Overall, I'm really happy with how the trial went. This is a brand new detergent, so seeing it in action was very cool and very interesting. The areas in the coating pan where we were able to maintain constant coverage with the detergent solution look very clean and very promising. But overall, I'm really happy with the outcome.
What Dover gets most excited about is when we have prospects, potential customers that send in very difficult to clean residues, which always challenges our laboratory, and our chemists love when we get those type of challenges.